Okay guys, good morning. This is the morning of day 6. It is 5:30 in the morning. I just wanted to quick fill you in on yesterday, the end of day 5. I got this new windscreen on my scooter that made a big difference in terms of comfort on the ride. But it slowed me down a lot. I think I'm the slowest rider in the Cannonball. I'm very slow. And also, I got here to the parking lot last night in Huron, South Dakota, and a guy named Seth, who owns a scooter shop in Cincinnati, he helped me change both of my tires. So I got a brand new set of Michelin City Grip 2 tires on my scooter. I know we're going over some dirt today, so that was just super helpful and really encouraging for me and my ride. Guys are dropping out though because they're having engine problems that they can't fix because they can't get parts. So I'm just holding my breath that my scooter makes it through. We still got 5 days left. I'm just going to go slow and we'll see what happens. So knock on wood. All right, you guys, we'll see you. Here we go. End of day 5. That was day 5. Now we're going into day 6.
Showing you here some pictures of the Badlands National Park. It cost about $25 to get in there. Before we entered into the park, you had to fill up with gas at a gas station there outside the park. And then you saw a lot of these little like prairie dogs all over the place. Super cute little guys, wanted to go up and pet them. You could go to these little shops and get kibble and feed them and stuff. A lot of families out there, they're going up and down in and out of their holes and stuff. They're all over the place. Super cool and cute and fun to see. So I don't have any pictures of those guys. When you're winding through the Badlands, a couple of guys got tickets, I think, because they were going too fast. So go slow. Really cool to see some of these cool formations of the Earth. Not sure what happened with that, but it kind of looks like Mars or you're on a different planet. And also, during the middle of the day out there, I think I was coming through sometime between, 10 and 2 or something. It was hot. You can see in one of the pictures, I'm wearing my helmet. I got something on my neck to keep the sun off, and then I'm just in a t-shirt. Yay for safety. I'm being an idiot safety-wise. More on that later. But definitely not dressed appropriately, trying to dress for the weather. I'm also wearing pants, but it was hot. After going through the Badlands, we got on some dirt, like gravelly roads. And in one part of this video, you're going to see me just bumping my way along these things. Just can't wait to get off. Some of our Cannonball crew stopped to take pictures of people and to check in to see how people were doing, kind of cheering us on. So that was really nice of them. Getting out of there, I was driving close by Mount Rushmore. It wasn't exactly on the way, but I took a detour. I went up because I'd never been there. I wanted to see Mount Rushmore. I checked that out. That was really cool. It's smaller than what I actually thought. And then we went on to, then we got a little bit of rain, so I had to put my rain suit back on. And then we went into this place called like the Wind Cave National Park, Wind Cave something. Gorgeous. I could have stayed there for a week. I saw a bison eating some food stuff off in the distance. I stopped to take some pictures. So peaceful there. I'm not sure if it's like a native tribe reservation or I don't even know what the heck the thing was, but it was beautiful there. And then we got in late to the hotel that evening, and I remember it being so windy that evening. Like people's bikes were almost blowing over. I think some actually did blow over. And it was super crazy windy. And it's at this point in the ride, this is like one of my best days in the Cannonball before stuff just all goes to crap, because we got to see some super cool sights. It was beautiful. I didn't have any breakdowns. I left really early and got into the next place, the hotel for that evening at a reasonable hour, and I actually got to sit down and have dinner with Lou and some of the other ladies there. And we just had a great time, had some pizza. I felt like I was on schedule. I was kind of keeping up with the group. So this was one of my best days of the Cannonball.
And we also went on a bunch of long dirt roads today, and I almost wiped out in the first one. And I don't know, I'd probably say like 20-ish miles of dirt roads, maybe 15 miles. It was a lot. So that was day 6, Scooter Cannonball. and I got probably another hour to go till we get to Hot Springs, South Dakota. And then this evening I spent the whole time taking all the plastic off my scooter to see if I needed to do a belt change or air filter change, and I didn't need to do either, and then spent all this time putting the plastic pieces back on. So, and then tomorrow we have the longest ride of 526 miles, and it's going to be hot, so I'll be probably getting up early and hitting the road. Today a bunch of people crashed on the gravel, and people are talking about skipping the gravel or dirt sections tomorrow so that they don't have to deal with that. And yeah, that's kind of about it. So a lot of people have been coming together to help out with some of the engine stuff, and like that's been really helpful, and like a community has been forming when people are helping each other out, so that's really been encouraging. And that's all from day number 6. We're over halfway done. We'll see if we can make it to the finish line.